a big welcome to all of you. I hope all of you are doing really well. My name is Deepti. Students, alphabet is the building block of English language and we all are already familiar with alphabets and vowels. So here we're gonna learn about sound of vowels, sound of CH, SH, use of A and the, I am, you are, use of my and your. Also, we will learn about use of has, have, or we are and they are. So, let's get started. Sound of CH, SH, TH and CK. Words with CH sound. Chair, chess, cheek, chick, chocolate, bench, torch, watch. Words with SH sound. Shirt, shed, ship, sheep, shell, shoes, brush, fish. Let's have practice. A. Write SH and then read aloud. Okay, so in every picture, in every blank, you have to write SH. Okay, so first picture, write SH. This is fish. Next, shawl. Next, DISH, dish. Next, shop, SHOP. Next, it's shed, SHED. Next, push, PUSH. Next, shadow, SHADOW. And next is ship, SH. B. Write CH and then read aloud. Okay, now this time we have to write CH. Okay, CHILD, child. Next, CHAIR, chair. SWITCH, switch. Next, CHERRY, cherry. Next, BENCH, bench. Next, CHURCH, church. Next, OSTRICH, ostrich. And next one is WATCH, watch. Words with TH sound. Thread, thumb, tree, teeth, bath, earth. Words with CK sound. Lock, cock, clock, frock, duck, truck. Read and learn. The cheek of a child is red. Tom has 30 teeth in his mouth. There are shirts and shoes in the shop. The duck and cock are best friends. Let's have practice. A. Write TH and then read aloud. Okay, so every time you will write TH only. Okay, so first picture, MOUTH, mouth. Next, MOTHER, mother. Next, BATH, bath. Next, BROTHER, brother. Next, FATHER, father. Next, TEETH, teeth. B. Write CK and then read aloud. Now this time we will write CK. First picture, LOCK, lock. Next, CLOCK, clock. Next, DUCK, duck. Next, NECK, neck. Next, COCK, cock. And next, STICK, stick. So students, I hope आपको ये chapter समझ आया होगा and keep doing practice of this chapter in order to become perfect.